Si Mayor Baste nagsasalita.
Did you use tear gas and were you armed when you entered the premises of the KOJC? Sir Chair, this does not to be answered right now. I just leave the question to the floor. Again, thank you, KOJC, thank you, PNP, for everybody who's here.
For unit view, I can generate the answer.
Tatanungin kung arm ba siya o hindi.
Sir, yes. We have personnel who has firearms as part of the security of the city. Standard procedure.
Correct. You cannot deny that because all the videos circulating around the internet shows that nabalo tayo, di ba?
And
How
also,
about the gas?
Definitely not, sir, because we don't have gas masks.
thank you, Mr. Chair.
We intend to use tear gas. We must prepare for gas masks. Standard operating procedure.
I agree. Yung natin yung gas kung wala kang mask. Ikaw yung gusto kasamaan. So, you stand by your word na yung